Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn how to set or change the default document in IIS on Windows Server 2025. Sometimes, when you open your website, it doesn't load your homepage automatically. Instead, it just shows a blank page or a directory listing. That's usually because IIS doesn't know which file to serve first. So today, I'll show you how to fix that by setting a default document, like index.html or default.html, so your website loads perfectly every time you visit it. Alright, let's get started. The default document is the web page that IIS automatically loads when someone visits your site without typing a specific file name. Now, let's assume you already have IIS installed and running on your Windows Server 2025. If you open your browser and type localhost, IIS will automatically display a page usually called iisstart.html instead of making you type localhost/iisstart.html. In other words, the default document is your website's home page, the first thing visitors see when they arrive. Now let's open IIS Manager to see how to set or change the default document. Go to Server Manager, then click on Tools in the top right corner. From the drop-down list, select Internet Information Services, IIS Manager. This will open the IIS Manager window. Once IIS Manager is open, look at the Connections panel on the left side, select your server name. Then click the small arrow to expand it. Next, expand the Sites node to see all the websites hosted on your server. Now, select the website where you want to set or change the default document. In the middle panel, find and double-click on Default Document. Here, you'll see a list of default document names that IIS looks for when someone visits your site. IIS will load the first file it finds in this list. If your file isn't listed, for example, home.html, click Add in the Actions panel on the right, then type your file name, like home.html, and click OK. Now, let's create a simple web page to test our default document setting. Open Notepad and type a simple heading, like Welcome to home.html, then, click File, and choose Save As. In the Save As window, browse to the default website location inside your C drive, then open the inetpub folder, and inside it, open the www.root folder. Then, change the Save As type to All Files. In the file name box, type index.html. This will be our default web page. Once that's done, click Save. Now that we've added our default document, let's restart the website so IIS can load the changes. In IIS Manager, go to the Connections panel, right-click your website, and select Manage Website, then click Restart. Now, let's test it out. Go to Web Browser, and in the address bar, type localhost, then press Enter. If your browser still shows the old page or the default IIS welcome screen, don't worry, that's usually just a cache issue. You can try refreshing the page using Ctrl F5 to force a full reload. If it still doesn't change, you can clear your browser cache and cookies, or open the site in incognito mode to test it fresh. Click the three dots at the top right corner of your browser window, then go to Settings or History. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both checked. Then, click Clear Data to remove the cache and cookies. After that, go back to the Browser tab where the site is loaded, refresh the page, and your new default document should now appear correctly. If you want to show iisstart.htm instead of index.html, go to IIS Manager, open the default document feature, and simply move iisstart.htm to the top of the list. After moving iisstart.htm to the top, go back to the Connections panel, right-click on the website name, and select Manage Website, then select Restart to apply the changes. After that, go back to your browser and refresh the page. Now IIS should load iisstart.htm as the default document. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set or change the default document in IIS on Windows Server 2025. Now, your website can automatically load the homepage you want, whether it's index.html, iisstart.htm, or any other file you choose. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.